Hello and welcome to another dashcam video from Adventures with TCS. My name is Tom and today be riding along with me as I drive on I-70 in the Rocky Mountains. But first of all, I'd like to say welcome to my channel. And this video is something you find entertaining, I would encourage you to check out some of my other videos from this trip or other road trips I have taken. I'd also appreciate it if you could support my channel and the creation of more videos just like this one by clicking that like button and maybe becoming a subscriber as well. Lastly, I would also like to thank you for taking the time out of your day to travel along with me on some of the best highways that America has to offer. So this video begins where the last one left off on I-70 eastbound near Silverthrone and Dillon. From here, we'll climb up and cross under Loveland Pass through the Johnson Tunnel, the highest point on the entire U.S. interstate system. After that, we'll begin our descent, passing through Silverthrone, Lawson, and finally Idaho Springs, which is where this video will end. This video is from the 9th day of my adventure to the West Coast and back, which has featured not only a handful of beautiful national parks and monuments, but also thousands of miles of dashcam video just like this one, including I-40 through Albuquerque and or I-15 through fabulous Las Vegas. If you missed any of those videos, be sure to check out the playlist from this trip to catch up. Also be sure to check out the video description below to see a list of places we have been or are going to be, and also other ways to support the channel. Finally, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any videos from this or future trips as well. But for now, I'm going to keep driving east on I-70 in colorful Colorado. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please help me out by clicking that like button. In the next video from this trip, we'll continue on I-70 as we'll exit the Rockies and enter the city of Denver. So make sure to subscribe so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.